Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing ProtonVPN, which is still one of the best VPN softwares available. Grab your Firestick remote and let's dive in. ProtonVPN comes from the same creators as the renowned Proton Mail. It's a Swiss-based service known for its strong commitment to privacy, a strict no logs policy, and powerful open source encryption. What that means for you is that your streaming activity and location stay private, even from your ISP. From your home screen, move across to Find and drop down into the search and click, then type in Proton. Once you see it in the list, you can select it, click again, and click one more time to start the download. Before you open the app, just ensure that you have signed up for the free account. I will show you the steps to do so now. Go to create account and then down in the bottom corner, sign up for free. Then click continue with VPN free. And here you'll enter in the email address you wish to use and set a password for the account. Right, so once you have ProtonVPN installed, we will need to connect it to our account. So if we click on ProtonVPN, go on refresh to get a new code. Right, so now on the mobile device, enter in the code that you see on the screen, and then hit verify code, and now we have the device connected and we now have access to ProtonVPN. Just a quick tour. So you have the free countries accessible listed along the top, so Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Romania, Switzerland, and Canada, Mexico, United States. These are all the free countries. Oh, and Japan and Singapore. So we'll just quickly do a test. Just click connect to United States quickly. We'll click OK. Okay, and that's connected to United States. As you can see, the IP address has changed. Hey, thank you for watching. That is it for today. If this has helped you out, please leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.